The reason both Edward and Lisa can gain from trade in our example, when Edward specializes in apples and Lisa specializes in bananas, is because Edward has the comparative advantage in growing apples and Lisa has the comparative advantage in growing bananas. A trading partner has a comparative advantage in something when its opportunity cost of producing the thing is lower than its partner's opportunity cost. Remember that each acre in Edward's farm can produce either 1 banana or 2 apples. Each acre in Lisa's farm can produce either 5 bananas or 3 apples. Since Edward grows 1 more banana and 2 less apples each time he allocates an additional acre to bananas, the opportunity cost of having Edward grow another apple is 1 banana divided by 2 apples, or 1/2 banana per apple. Since Lisa grows 5 more bananas and 3 less apples each time she allocates an additional acre to bananas, the opportunity cost of having Lisa grow another apple is 5 bananas divided by 3 apples, or 1.67 bananas per apple. Since Edward's opportunity cost of growing another apple is lower than Lisa's, he has the comparative advantage in growing apples. Since Edward grows 2 more apples and 1 less banana each time he allocates an additional acre to apples, the opportunity cost of having Edward grow another banana is 2 apples divided by 1 banana, or 2 apples per banana. Since Lisa grows 3 more apples and 5 less bananas each time she allocates an additional acre to apples, the opportunity cost of having Lisa grow another banana is 3 apples divided by 5 bananas, or 0.6 apples per banana. Since Lisa's opportunity cost of growing another banana is lower than Edward's, she has the comparative advantage in growing bananas. Since the opportunity cost of growing an apple is lower for Edward, and the opportunity cost of growing another banana is lower for Lisa, both Edward and Lisa gain when Edward specializes in apples and Lisa specializes in bananas. Here are 2 realistic examples. Both Florida and Idaho consume more potatoes than oranges when Idaho exports potatoes to Florida and Florida exports oranges to Idaho. Idaho has the lower opportunity cost of growing potatoes, and Florida has the lower opportunity cost of growing oranges. Both the U.S. and Vietnam consume more machinery and textiles when the U.S. exports machinery to Vietnam and Vietnam exports textiles to the U.S. The U.S. has the lower opportunity cost of producing machinery, and Vietnam has the lower opportunity cost of making textiles. A trading partner has an absolute advantage in a good when it can produce more of the good with the same amount of resources. Let's return to our simple example to illustrate absolute advantage. Edward and Lisa each have 5 acres of land. Each acre in Edward's farm can produce either 1 banana or 2 apples. Each acre in Lisa's farm can produce either 5 bananas or 3 apples. Lisa has an absolute advantage in both apples and bananas. She has an absolute advantage in apples because she can grow 3 apples on an acre, while Edward can grow only 2. She has an absolute advantage in bananas because she can grow 5 bananas on an acre, while Edward can grow only 1. A trading partner can have an absolute advantage in many things. However, if one trading partner has a comparative advantage in one good, the other trading partner must have a comparative advantage in the other good. The opportunity cost of one good is 1 divided by the opportunity cost of the other good. For example, since Edward's opportunity cost of producing an apple is 0.5 bananas per apple, his opportunity cost of producing a banana must be 1 divided by 0.5 bananas per apple, which equals 2 apples per banana. Similarly, Lisa's opportunity cost of producing a banana is 1 divided by 1.67 bananas per apple, which is 0.6 apples per banana. Since 1 divided by a number decreases as the number increases, when Edward has the lower opportunity cost of growing apples, then Lisa must have the lower opportunity cost of growing bananas.